Hello. Good afternoon to everyone. Happy Sunday to you. How are you doing? How are you doing this Sunday? I hope you enjoy your Sunday because it's a beautiful day. Thank you to my loved ones. Thank you to my fans. Thank you to those that have been watching my video. Thank you. God bless you all. And as you share my video out, God bless you. Thank you so much. I have a lovely topic today that I bring to you people. So please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for, my darling sister, my bro? What are you still waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a top things here. I have a lot of advice to you people. Okay, try and subscribe, press the notification bell anytime they are board, then that bell will alert you say I dey with you. Okay, my darling. So this topic, when I break on, so it goes to Jama First Lady and her mother-in-law. Although my sister, I watched your video yesterday, I feel pity for you because it's not easy, but not be the way when I be want to talk to you, not be I want to talk to you again now. You understand? I don't want to give you a word of advice. You see this life where we dey, so not say you want quit your marriage. Why you go quit your marriage? For waiting now. Wetin person never see for this life. No red bandafo or error. What done now? Let me speak English. This husband house where we dey, so husband house sweet na school. You start husband house from KG1 to university level. Now our father when they don old, our mother when they don old, now then graduate for the marriage. You understand? So not say you want quit now, so you want divorce your husband, now so you want do this one, now so you want do that one. My darling sister, not do one. Not listen to what people they talk, because I listened to your video yesterday. I feel pain for you. I feel pain for you, although it's not easy. If your husband mother not talk to you, your husband brother not talk to you, your husband sister want not talk to you, want come talk to you for outside. Who can be that person when you want come talk to you? He no dey. So husband mother not be all day perfect. In fact, everybody for this life, we are not perfect. You get the side where for they do wrong. You get the side where for still they do right. You understand? Okay, assuming na you did that your husband mother should, what you go do? What you go do? So no matter what your husband mother tell you, my sister, don't let her to pay you. You yourself don't still get children. When you go still marry tomorrow you'll still be mother-in-law. Okay, now you want quit your marriage now. Then if your son marry tomorrow, you talk to your son wife, then he go say you want quit the marriage. What do you want to advise her? Jama First Lady, what do you want to advise her? Let your mother-in-law talk. And they call for your mother-in-law, but you now word of advice I want give you. Forget those people when they social media, when they run their mouth anyhow. I been at that one when they throw away children. When throw away 4 children, I be 5 children. You want talk when I watch a video, they talk, say, it better you know you carry your pikin con than you carry your pikin con. What a shameful word. That one a word where person they talk. It better you not just carry con. If you do, they'll say you not do. If you do, they go say you not do. If you not do, you know your better may you not do. That means that woman when they talk that word, you not get feeling of children for mind. Her heart door close for children. Say this one a feeling for children, she not get her. I listened to her when she talk that word. Then I say, oh my God, you wait throw away 4 children for Nigeria. I be 5 children. With your man where you born for, cause they claim say you never born. At the end of the day, they say your children. That is it. You know even get one where you take care of. So Jama First Lady, now that one now you want to go compare with. You go answer me for this word. Now that one now you want to go compare yourself with. Why you go say you want to quit your marriage? And that one they vex me for you. What it go make you quit your marriage? Okay, if your mother now come talk to your brother wife will come say you want to quit marriage because your mother talk to her. This matter so now see what you and your husband mother they do so. una just dey do the wrong thing. Una not suppose to carry una sef come out for social media at all over the world. Na dey watch una. E no good. E no good. As you dey bear since then, you no dey watch the video. Fine, you for no even click go watch the video. Let one person wrong, no be say two people go wrong. E no good. No matter wetin your husband mother do you, dey pray for am so that you yourself go still receive the blessing tomorrow. But as you come out now, come dey do now, people go blame you. Before you be dey right, but now you don't do the worst. My sister, my darling sister, quit comot for this social media between you and your mother-in-law. Where Mama Gladys for wrong, if at all, because I no dey there. Na wetin I hear now I want to judge. If at all Mama Gladys carry your mother-in-law and you matter come out for social media, she not supposed to do so. She's a mother. She's supposed to call both of una together, settle una as a grown-up woman, as a mother. But no be say she go carry both of una matter come out for social media. If I thought she do am, but I don't know because I not dey there. Now wetin I hear now I tell dey talk so. She not do well. She do the worsted thing. If they do am to her, she go agree or she go her people. You see this family of a thing. If you not dey that family, you not get right to take throw mark. If you want even say you want consider them, call both of them, settle them, make your own peace. Not be say you carry and come out for social media all over the world. So bad, so bad, not good. I not dey there. Now wetin I hear I take the judgment and not change my word. Okay, back to your mother-in-law. Iye. You be our mother now. You not be small pikin again. You be our mother. No matter what your daughter-in-law do, you're not supposed to carry this matter on social media at all. At all. Okay, see what all those one wey be say they no even fit take care of 5 children wey they throw away for Nigeria. Come they talk put. May I leave Monica? You understand? I hear some word when Monica talk. Now still advice now she give for there, but I not too much wash and finish. I hear some word where she talk. You understand? But those ones where be say they not fit take care of their own children for Nigeria. They throw away their children. Go see where their children they live. Now you constantly they talk for another person words. Can you imagine? You do wrong, go. You too do wrong. You do wrong. For this one, you're not supposed to carry on a matter come out for social media at all. You support no matter what. Owe ukmonwa, uwowa, ana boy. Onisana, awa mukmo gwe, emulantia. Because uga nya yotone, agmomi mi bege ene. Ede nuwe yata, eri ogijebe de nahwe. Afye wiliye. Ote kwikwi o, inye yeki nomba. Bete man now, he's no good. Close your nyash, no open up for our side. The nyash be black or what I talk for Benin State talk for English. So it be black or better go use and change to red. You're not supposed to carry una issue come aside. You're not supposed to carry una issue come aside at all. Your daughter-in-law, if your daughter-in-law not do you wrong, Uma can't do you wrong for outside. Your daughter-in-law don't get how many children for your son? How many children don't get for your son? Why can't you people just sit down once and for all and settle everything once and for all? Must you bring yourself out of social media? Carry matter go give people wey no even reach una level. They no even reach una level. Many of them they still dey government house where government they take care of. No talk of una wey be say una dey use una heart to fight for una self, una daily bread. No be government they take care of una. One una go bring una self come aside. Iye, you be our ije o. Assuming you be my mother. Although wetin that your daughter do, she not do well. That one still get blame, big blame. She's supposed to call you as a mother. When you were still there in Europe, you know how Europe be. Now you consider do this one for Europe. Therefore, she's not fair. It's not fair at all. you no do well. When I listen to your own. If you I comment for your video, but when I listen to your daughter-in-law own, I feel pain for her. I feel pain for her. Even when two of una gather dey cook, even for your live video sef, wetin you even still talk say una go dey tease am, na so laugh na she dey laugh put. Why can't you people just sit down and settle una sef between una sef wey 1 ear 2 ear no go hear am. Okay, look people when they come dey talk put now. Na so this matter go all over the world. Because anything wey you don put for this social media, e don go all over the world with that one, and e no good. Children dey grow, dey come. Una no be una children wan go for put tomorrow. Later now they go say no be this one wey be say their house no settle. No be this one wey be say that they carry their self, they come out for social media. Oh my God, e no good at all. Iye, you do wrong. Oh, Iye, you too do wrong. You too do wrong. German first lady, you're not supposed to insult your mother-in-law. You for take your mother-in-law as a mother to you, no matter what she do you. Your mother-in-law not go fit kill you. No, she not go fit kill you because she still get daughter. How she go kill you? She not go fit kill you. You're not supposed to insult her, my sister. No matter what she tell you, or come resort to family to family. Wetin na? Wetin na? So those children wey una just get, this beautiful children una get for this Europe now no go come enjoy papa, enjoy mama. That one good. You no go even enjoy grandmother. E dey okay. E good. Una be don grow, but una dey behave like small pikin. Children no go even do wetin una dey do so. No matter wetin people go talk against you, let them say. Let them say. If person not talk, the living soul not talk your word. Na spirit wan come talk your word. Abi na dead person na wan come talk your matter. Then they use am make parable say, monata yo vin abi me alago dokpa o hale no je. When you were buried German first lady, they wash dirty come off for your body if you don't know. Let them say now their mouth now they talk. Let them talk now their nyash. As the say they not fit close their mouth. Make they from nyash they talk. Like that one when they throw away 5 children. She they happy. I'm your manero egbe. The manero egbe. Who not dey body? Who you better pass? Who you good pass? Who not this one so na just small. Some people wey be they say some people be wey be say their own worst pass this una own. They never carry their self come out for social media. Those one wey be say that they talk pien so una not the one wey they see for body. No jima vegbe not egbe adaze. Who thief who they never catch for thief, he go say na he be king. Na he be king. Which king he be? Because they never catch am for thief. You know the one wey be say they did their body. Then their own don clean. So German first lady, if you love your children, when you born give this your husband, not say that word again say you want quit. Not talk that word again say una dey go swear. Swear for waiting. When children don dey there, wetin una wan go swear? Wetin una wan go swear put? When children don dey there, una know how those people take dey manipulate. Una go open una nyash for where native doctor dey, una go dey swear. When una busy, una know say una get children for hand. Anything can happen, my darling sister. Don't you ever say that again. Change your mind and change that topic. No talk am again at all. Una go swear. Go swear for where? What una wan swear put? Una kill human being, una dey go swear. Una keep person hide. When be say they don't know the secret, una wan go swear put. For wetin now? Àwọn ọmọ bí jọ do yin akon dedemede wa ma sun na una start am. Mother-in-law and daughter-in-law. They quarrel before, not be una start am, and not be una go still end down. So when I hear your own side yesterday, na make me just go dey talk like this, because before me I be one wetin me be one talk really, I no just talk go that side. But when I hear your own video yesterday, the thing really touch me. I want my yaya why now. So no be say you go come mad as your husband still dey tell you yesterday. Now this one na it make people dey, you need to change for that character, my sister. Na make people dey talk say you no get character, all those kind of thing. If your husband dey talk to you, you dey front of camera, obey, please. Obey the man. I know say quarrel don dey una vaccination, but please, because the man no want make that matter pass there. So you go just obey, forget. As you talk all those one yesterday, nah. Okay, wetin you can't gain for inside now? Wetin you can't gain now for inside? Nothing. Now who go pick the truth? Now you go still pick the truth. Who not go pick the truth? They not go still pick the truth. Who wants to dey against you? Go still dey against you, German first lady. Go still dey against you. Your mama na fit talk say na gbowio gweji aga gbowayo. They fit dey do their own for Nigeria. Na European now na dey. They fit drag go left, drag go right. But you and your children dey this Europe. You know wetin wan end down tomorrow. If you not forgive because of anything, you need to forget and forgive because of your children. If you love your children, my sunu anate hehe oga sunu ne riogi yade, na so it happen. Na so it happen. It don finish. And you wey be daughter-in-law, no matter what, you're not supposed to disgrace your mother for public. How you go disgrace your mother for public? No matter wetin your mother do, you're not supposed to disgrace her for public. Person cloth na inside house, inside your room, now you go fold down and you na put am for wardrobe, may e dey there. You can't go dey disgrace your mother for public, and you be woman, you go still become mother-in-law tomorrow. Oh, what a pity. My sister, you not do well. Your own just dey your body. You not do well. You need to go and beg your mother to forgive you. Go and beg your mother. And you, German first lady, you go beg your mother-in-law. Go beg your mother-in-law. Make it pray for una. Because now he get the man. Now he get the grandchildren. If he lay any curse on you, her son, and your children, now everlasting. Everlasting. Go beg your mother-in-law. May pray for una. And your mother-in-law not fit beg you. Go only tell you say my pikin, you not do well, but I forgive you. You go use and tear up your body. Meaning everything don't finish for a mind. If you get wetin you don fair do for the past, tell am sorry. Go beg am. You know as Benin dey do now. They know the big pass. Now you won't go. Not be you won't go. Go beg am. Because now your mother-in-law. And you the son. You the son when you get house. Now your mother. You not get father again. Now your own mother. Go and beg your mother. Not feel say I don't enter Europe. I don't big pass my mother. Never. You can never big pass your mother. Go and beg your mother and bring your home together. Now you be the man. Now you be the father. Now you be everything. You need to draw all of them together. Bring them together. Settle this house. You have a lovely family. Yesterday I just dey watch una video. You know. So go beg your mother. You the boy, the husband, the man of the house. Go and beg your mother and bring your home together. Una not let anything enter una house. No. Una not let any hands come between you and your family. Okay, if your wife can't quit the marriage tomorrow, now you go marry another woman. They don't they can't follow you. you now comot for your husband house now, you say I no dey marry again, I no dey marry again, I no dey. Na so we dey talk am for the beginning, and the end we go still go for inside marriage again. You come go marry after 4 children and be 3 children, still go marry again. Or which man you wan come follow tomorrow now, wey go come pass this man wey you and na don carry una children come. Husband, get mother love your mother. Forget say na your grandmother na train you. Your grandmother no dey alive again, na the one wey you dey see now na be your mother. Go and beg her. Go beg your mother and bring your home together. That is my advice to you. Let your mother bless you, bless your marriage with a clean heart. No be this one wey una dey do so. You don get children. Na you dey carry your family dey go so, and you be the only son. You dey carry your family dey go. Iye me I get mother o. My mother no go, nothing go pay my mother when e go swear for a daughter-in-law, or me when e dey here so I go come say na one thing I come go disgrace my mama. Wetin dey bring that kind thing come? Wetin I wan disgrace my mother for? I fit talk to my mother for inside room than I go play voice record come send am give mama when e dey life. What a useless girl. Why you go do that kind thing? Una get blame o. Where Ije for get blame? Iye, as you keep this matter for so long, you for still let am dey your mind. If you no carry am come out for social media, na there you for get blame. Cause na your daughter-in-law, na family una be. You no get how e dey be. Na still your daughter. Na your daughter na still be. Okay, if man now come dey do this kind thing, another mother-in-law come dey do your daughter this kind thing wey you do so, how you go feel? How you go feel? Between you, how you go feel? How the thing go be you? If dey okay? If dey okay? How you go feel the matter for yourself? That is how your blood go, how you go take react. Mother-in-law dey do this kind thing wey you dey do so to your daughter. How you go feel? Iye, you not do well. You not do well at all. You not do well. I know say she offend you, but you know, if you not carry this matter come out for social media, no, if you not carry am come out for social media at all, wey be say matter can't go here now, it can't go here. Not be as they take talk am, not be so it go be later o. As una take talk am, the food never done at all. Sugar never dey, salt never dey, maggi never dey. Maybe they go forget crayfish, they will come add and join am so that make for sweet. Iye, you not supposed to do that kind thing. No, na there you for wrong go. Iye, it's not supposed to carry am come out for social media. Person cloth na inside room there for the folder, not be outside. Outsiders no get wetin dem wan come talk for una matter. Na to destroy am more and more and laugh. They go laugh. And that one I be their own. Clap hands, make them forget view. But 2 of una now, in fact 4 of una now, wetin una come gain? Una don talk. Wetin una come gain? Now wetin come be the gain to una now? Me I no see any gain wey una gain for inside this matter now. Wetin come be the gain now? Which achievement una come achieve now? Na achieve disgrace and laugh. E no good. Jama first lady, go beg your mother-in-law. You the daughter of the woman, go beg your mother. And you the man of house, bring your home together. Go beg your mother also. Mother-in-law, draw your home near yourself. Call your children. Use one hand to follow all of them. If you dey harsh before, limit am. Because you don grow. Limit am. If you dey talk for here, dey talk for here before, stop am. E no dey bring family together, e dey destroy family. Na you be their mother. Anything dey happen tomorrow now, na mama dem go still dey call. Mama, abeg, Iye, bring your home together so that may happiness, joy, harmony dey. Abeg. So I no get anything to talk pass here. This is my advice for both of you people. Abeg, if una watch this video, una sit down, lis ten well o. Una pick the one una go pick for inside. una not do the one, una no dey do wetin una dey do so again. Children don dey, they don dey grow, dey come. Una know you rob children as they be. Okay, those children una wan spoil their career. Na their career una wan spoil so. Man wan marry them tomorrow now, or they no go fit get better friend tomorrow. Cause they go say, hey, una homes peace no dey. Peace no dey una home. This one wey be say your mama, your grandmama, all of una dey fight for social media. That one no be big disgrace. Na big disgrace. Abeg, una bring una self together. Na so I get the matter to talk ratio. Na do well. God bless you all. If you watch, like, share, subscribe if you never subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Una bye bye. You happy Sunday to una. I just do a short. Okay, my happy. My happy, man, no cut like that. My happy, una know say I never laugh my laugh since I must laugh. I must laugh put mona share mona let this video go viral in case this our mother-in-law, some of them not be all. You know say if mama don dey old na so, if they don dey grow they dey do like small pikin, except person wey no get old mother for house or old father for house. Na go if they don dey old, they there is they go come, e go come be like say na that time then they take born them. They go come dey behave, their behavior come be like wetin small pikin no go even do sef, na they go come dey do that time. Una no know, oh una go witness am. I pray una witness am o. Abeg, my people, our mothers wey dey do like that o, some mothers no be all. Abeg, una still change, una change. This world so e don civilize, no be as we dey before. Now e don civilize o, world dey civilize every day. Abeg, una change. Una change, una let harmony dey una house, so that the you know where quarrel dey good thing no dey enter, or better thing no dey come inside. No, blessing no dey come there. Abeg, una let joy dey una heart, so that una go dey get that blessing. I beg you, the name of God. Okay, now so I wan end this video ratio, my people. Anybody, if you come across this video, you never subscribe, please do and subscribe. Press that notification bell. Now be like this. The one wey dey like this, you press am, okay? Then go give you 3 bell, press the up one, so that anytime when I come like this, I carry matter come like this. I still dey do comment, so una go still watch my comment. Okay, maybe tomorrow now I'll do comedy, so now still watch my comments. Okay, I still dey do live stream also. Una fit come join me for my live stream. So happy Sunday to you once again. It's only one joy of I no talk where I dey stay. I know so una go open una ear, but I no go talk am. Yes, so na me Joy Omox, we not complete 2, na only me 1. If una see this face, una know say na she don come on board. Bye.